Hello! Welcome everyone to our YouTube channel, Part 2 Eyes. When it comes to a birthday party, when it comes to a Children's Day celebration or any other special occasion related to children, most of my friends used to call me and ask, "Hey Nimeera, you are working with children, right? So you must be knowing what is the best thing that we can give for our kid. So what do you suggest? So what is the best gift that we can buy for our children?" So in such situation, the only answer that I can give is this. So I hope this video will help you to find out the most beautiful 5 gifts that you can give to your children in everyday basis. Not only at a special occasion, but also in everyday lives. The first gift that you can give to your children is the love. The love that they can feel. I know, you all love your children. Your children are your everything. But I have one question to you. Do you love the way that they feel? Can you recall, when did you tell to your child, "I love you"? Is it 1 hour before? Is it 1 day before? Or 1 week before? 1 month before? Or you can't remember? Just imagine. We love our children, but most of the time, we are very busy with our tight schedules and we don't know how to express it out. The love is hidden in us, but we don't know how to show it out. Just imagine, if you can recall your past, when you were a child, what are the most beautiful memories that you can get into your mind? Those are the most beautiful times that you spent with your parents. So, same applicable to your children. Love is not a thing that you can buy from the shop. Love is a thing that you can give to your children and they have to feel it. When you say, "I love you" the most, they will be really happy. Just imagine, when your partner says you, "I love you," how much you like it, how much you admire it, how much you waiting for it. Same applicable for your child. So keep practicing saying "I love you" to your child, and also to love him or her the way that he or she can feel. That will be one of the best gifts that they are receiving from you. The second beautiful gift is the time that you spend with your child. I know, we all are very busy in this tight world. We have this program, that meeting, the gym meeting, that party. So all these things are there in our lives. But don't forget, our children came to this world because of our decision. It's not that their decision. When I say the time, it's not the time that you are physically there with your child, but the time that you are mentally bond with your child. You must be at home all the time. Spending at the same room, spending at the same venture is not helping for your child to understand that you are giving enough time for him or her. But you should show it to him or you should show it to her by your act. If you are a father, if you are a mother who leaves home early morning and who comes back to home late night, when you can spend the time with your child? I know you all are doing all this sacrification for the sake of your child, but don't forget, they are getting old and you are on the process of aging. So the beautiful time that you have to spend today will not come tomorrow. So think wisely and spend time wisely. I'll ask a question. When did you spend time together with your child last? Was it 1 hour before? 1 day before? 1 week before? Or 1 month before? Or you can't remember? That will help you to find out whether you are giving enough time, enough emotional time, enough supportive time, enough caring time for your children. If you can give enough time for your children, they are receiving a beautiful gift from you. The third beautiful gift that you can give to your children is the listening ears. You all are very busy and you don't have much time to spend with them, and also you don't have much time to listen to them. But trust me, they have so many things to say you. If you could give your ears to them, they would tell you beautiful stories. Just imagine, when you are stressed, you want someone to express your ideas, isn't it? So, same applicable for your children. When they want to say something, if none of you are available at home, to whom that they can express their emotions, to whom that they can trust and tell something happened at school. Always remember, there are so many stories in your child. You should have to have enough patience and enough listening skill to grasp them and to work on them. Your child might have some beautiful innovative ideas, but if you just don't listen to them, you might not be able to put them in action. And also, the trust between you and child is developed when the child feels that I have someone who is listening to me. I know my father is listening to me. I know my mother is listening to me. Then only they will talk to you with trust. But if you are in a rush, you might not be able to hear the full story that the child wants to say. But you would hear it from here and there, and you will not be able to understand the full story that the child is having. Trust me, not giving time, not giving enough space for listening to your child can create many challenges in future. Children get really stubborn and they don't trust parents when they realize that no one is listening to them. That is how they are ended up having different relationships apart from the family, because they know that no one at home is listening to them. Then they are finding some ears from the outside family. So think wisely. If you want to keep your children at safe, you should have to have some time to give your ears for your children. Your listening ears would be one of another beautiful gifts that you can give to your children. Don't forget it. Go home, listen to their stories today. You will be amazed after listening to them. The fourth gift that you can give to your children is the happy memories. If someone asks you to recall your childhood, you will definitely recall the past that you spent happily with your parents. The time that you swam in the river, the time that you rode the bicycle with your father, the time that you danced with your friends. Those are the beautiful memories that you can recall. So you can create some beautiful memories at home with your children. I'll give you an example. You must be washing your car. Your child must be somewhere near to you. You can just flash some water on him or her, and you can create some fun water play scenario at that same particular time. So that would be one of the wonderful times that the child spend throughout the weekend. If you are busy at the kitchen making a cake, you can just get some batter into your finger and put it over your child. That can create another beautiful scenario, and that would be another beautiful memory that the child had throughout the weekend. You don't need to go to disco to have fun. You can create a fun-filled dance scenario with your children. Put some good music, prepare some food at home, and enjoy food with creative dances with your children. These tiny activities definitely would keep beautiful memories for them. You don't need to spend more money to create more beautiful memories. You can simply create memories by doing simply act with much of patience. The last but the most important gift that you can give to your children is the unity within the family. If the father and mother is always arguing with each other, if they are having so many fights inside the house, this domestic violence can create so many harmful scenarios and so many harmful effects to your children. So, think wisely. When you all are happy at the family, your children are happy. When you both are sad, your children are also at the sadness. So always create the harmony inside the house, and this unity within the family would create so many beautiful memories for your children. So the most important gift that you can give to your children is the unity inside the family. As I told you at the beginning of this video, these 5 gifts are very important and they are very memorable for children. You can't buy any of these gifts from the shop with money. So always think and try to offer these beautiful gifts to your children, because they would love them abundantly and they would love you the most after receiving these beautiful gifts. And they will not replace you with someone else's once they receive these beautiful gifts in their lives. If you want to have a beautiful family life, if you want to have a peaceful family life, if you want to be a better parent for your children, try to give these gifts to your children and they will love you abundantly. They will love you